Hello beautiful people, you welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to review a powerful strategy that earned me about $19,000, okay? And this strategy is going to help you in the crypto market. It's going to give you your entry as well as your exit. It will tell you when to enter the market, okay, and it will as well tell you on when to exit the market. The reason why I'm sharing this secret to you guys, okay, which will no longer be a secret, is because we are actually in crypto bull run. So I want you guys to make money and level up faster because around the whole world we are in a recession. So I want you guys to watch this video. Make sure you stick all the whole through because this is just a 5 minutes video and I won't take your time at all. So firstly, I told you guys to buy Solana, okay, and Solana here is about $94 right now. Okay, I told you guys to buy Solana when it was around $20, and this coin now is massively in profit right now, and I hope you guys are making money as well. So now, how do you get this indicator? I know many of you guys will be asking. You go to your trading view, open your trading view, come on the indicators right here. Okay, I'm gonna click that for you. So you click on indicators. When you come right here, you want to search ATR. So here is the ATR right here. After you see this ATR right here, you click on it. So right now I'm going to move down to my trading view. We don't have time, so sorry about this. We are on the chart here on my EuroJPY. This is on forex trading. Okay, so we are going to get on the crypto right here. So when you get on crypto on your trading view, if you don't have any account on trading view, go get it. Okay, trading view is an application that helps you where you can do charting and kind of like analyze the market and all before you start buying any kind of crypto or any kind of stuff you want to buy, okay, that is in the financial market. So come in here, okay, you want to type Solana. We are going to use Solana for this tutorial because I don't want to take any of your time. Make sure you are subscribed or you're following me here on TikTok. I only have an account on TikTok and as well on YouTube. I only have 2 minutes. So coming right here, this on trading view, and we have this here now. We have Solana right here. Okay, I want to make sure that I show you guys this in a way that you'll be able to learn it faster. So right here is on my chart. Okay, so firstly I'm going to show you guys the tool here. The name of the tool is ATR. So ATR is average true range. So what is there to do for you is that it helps you to dictate volatility. Okay, because now let's assume that this is okay, as this is Solana right now, and we want to buy in this market. Okay, as the market is showing us that this market is on a high volatility right now. If you are a newbies will be like, they'll start buying right now that the market is on a high volatility, which is not actually a good time for you to buy this particular coin. So what you want to do is that you have to wait. So how are you going to know that we are on a high volatility? This coin is on a high volatility and it's not a good buy right now. So right here is on the ATR, okay, and we are on 4-hourly time frame. So right here you want to get your trend line, okay. You need to get a trend line. Let me redo this. So for the purpose of other newbies in the market, okay, so right here you need to place the trend line right here. Okay, we need just a amount of 2 touches. Okay, yeah, we need just a amount of 2 touches and we are good to go. So we are here right now. We got it. Okay, we have this right here. We got it. So the next thing now we are looking is that I want to show you guys where you should enter. Okay, where is a high volatility and where that's got a lower volatility. So you want to buy when the market is on a low volatility. Okay, so if you're in crypto, you understand this. When you understand this, you have no stress. So this is the entry. Okay, why? Because we have a lesser volatility right here. There's lesser, okay, volatility right here. So in this case, this is more like, okay, we have that. Nice. So we have lesser volatility right here. So that's your entry. So what you need to understand again here is that, okay, let's assume, okay, how I did this during that time was that right here I entered right here. Okay, so when I entered on BNB here, okay, so the market was going by, okay, and when it got to this base, so this base here, okay, is where I wouldn't like any of you guys to look into. Like, you must not buy around here. I repeat myself, you must not buy when the market is already here. So why a lot of newbies are losing money is because they come here and they place a buy order. Okay, so when they place a buy order right there, what happens? Okay, hold on. So when you buy at this high volatility right here, okay, what happens is that you are putting yourself, okay, in a big risk. Okay, because that's the high volatility you are doing right there. Okay, there's a high volatility right there. So since that high volatility value is really that much, okay, so what you want to do is that you want to be really careful, okay. So volatility, so yeah, so that's it right there. So that's the high volatility, and you must not buy when the market is on a high volatility like this one right here that you're seeing, okay. So you must focus on this entry. This is your entry, okay. During my own time I was swing trading, so as I was swing trading, okay, I bought a lot of BNP at a price of I think $50 and all. So I was swing trading and I had to hop in right here on this entry. So when I entered on this entry, so I had to hold onto it for like I think a month or two, okay, before I made about $19,000. Okay, trust me, this is very very good. This is a good strategy, and I'm not even seeing this indicator as just as an indicator. So here is your entry, okay. You buy from here, for very important. Okay, then here is where you sell. Don't buy at this at that top, because when you buy at that top, that's when you lose money, because that high volatility tells you that there is a lot of greed in the market. A lot of people there's a lot of greed, meaning that the market has gone so high, okay, and people are going to be greedy. And of course, staying on a high volatility means that there's greed in the market. This will as well discourage people to get into the market, like newbies like you. So here is why you do what? Here is your exit entry. Okay, this video I don't want it to be that long, so that's why I'm going to like keep it simple. So here is your exit entry because it's on a high volatility. But if you are doing what they call swing trading, then you want to hold on to this. You want to hold on to your coins for a longer period of time. So let's assume that now the market now goes down from the high volatility to this base. When it gets here, that's when you can buy. That's when you can use. That's when you can enter another buy. Like you can add more positions. So when you see more, like when the market is still like dumping, you can add more positions. But make sure that you are not going all in, okay. This strategy works all the time, okay, and this is how you can use it. I'm going to be dropping another video on this strategy for you guys, okay, in a different way that I want you guys to use it, that will give you another effective result, okay. So if you want that video, you want to subscribe to this channel, follow me on TikTok as well, and I'm going to be dropping that video in no time, okay. So catch you again. If you have any kind of question, ask me. So let me just conclude. Don't forget, this is your entry and this is your exit point, okay. So make sure you watch this video again over and over again so you can get the picture. I love you, and catch you again. Keep the ocean peeping.